Go hit. Left leg. On soft you. Here. Got time. Sit. Come on. Hey, what shoulder I throw to? What shoulder? So if I put it on that shoulder, that's extra 2 yards.
Shimmy, throw! Go, Chum! Damn, you wasting rep. Get a break.
Let's go, come on. You gotta do better next time, bro.
Put the damn drill down.
Go, champ, it's on 3. 1, 2, 3,
Champ, go! Where's the ball carrier? Right there. Go! Here we go. Hey, inside leg up. All right? Once you get to about 2 yards, start to shimmy, then throw. Yeah, here we go. Go! 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 That's too much of your leg. All right, 52.
Well, what the hell was that? Huh?
Go! Relax. There you go. I mean, hey, I know Coach Harvey's lesson. I know he don't want y'all to switch the ball around, right? So when you catch the down ball and you're on this side, where should the ball go to anyway? I mean, common sense, isn't the cash dollar? Buckle up yet? You mentioned somebody else that's buckled up that want to go. Somebody that's buckled up that want to go.